Hello, welcome to my channel Learn Stock Charts to Earn. In this video we are going to discuss about the bullish outside bar pattern. It is also called as a bullish engulfing pattern. Now we will discuss what this pattern exactly is. So for that purpose we will see this figure. In this figure a particular stock is trading in its downtrend. At the downtrend we can see here that at the downtrend of the particular stock, the stock has made such type of small red candle at the downtrend. So after this red candle on the next day or at the next candle, the stock again made the huge green candle. Now when we compare the high of this previous candle and the high of this current candle, then the high of this green candle is higher than the high of red candle. As well, the low of this green candle is lower than the low of red candle. So it means that this green candle totally engulfs the red candle. So it is indication of bullish or the upside of a particular stock. So when we find out a particular stock having such type of pattern at the downside of a downward trend, then we can make the position on the next day of this green candle to make the profit. For example, consider this is a daily chart. So this red candle is about the day. So when after this day candle on the next day, if such type of candle appears on the chart, then it means that now downtrend is going to over. It is also called as the reversal signal. So after this candle we can make the position into the stock for upside. If it is a daily chart, then upside is limited for short term. If it is a weekly chart, then we can wait for some duration to achieve our higher targets. So this is the basics about the outside bar. This green candle as well called as mother bar, and this red candle is as well called as a child bar. So this is the basic about the bullish outside bar pattern. Now we will see different example to understand about the pattern and how it will work on a chart. So this is a DMART daily chart. Here we can see that here we have taken the daily chart. Here we easily see that from this level the stock is consistently falling. This is first day, second day, third, and here it is consolidating. So we can see here that almost from 1526 to near about 1300 or 1350 the stock has fallen. So at the means when we consider the daily chart of DMART, then it is in a downtrend. So at the downtrend here we can see that one small red candle is there, which may be called as a child candle or a child bar, or after that a huge green candle appears on the stock chart. So at the downtrend, if such type of pattern occurs, then we consider it is the indication of reversal. So we make the position on the next candle. So we can see that almost up to 1400 levels of DMART we can buy the stock, and now it is trading around 1564, so giving good return in 4 to 5 days. So this is the example of DMART. Now again we will see other example. So this is the example of Sun Pharma. It is again the daily chart. Here we can see that the stock is consistently falling. Now it is almost 600 level. So the stock is consistently fallen from the 600 level to almost 450 level. At the downward side of the chart, here we have seen we can see that a small red candle appears. It may be called as a child candle, and after that we have a huge green candle, and it is a mother bar. So when at the downtrend, when such type of pattern occurs, then it is the indication of reversal. Now it is a downtrend and such type of pattern occurs, though therefore it is the indication of reversal. We can make the position on the next candle. It is a daily chart, so we are going to trade for a short term only. So here we can see that for consistently 2 days stock has moved up, so making some correction, then making higher highs and higher lows, and consistently moving in upward direction by making higher highs and higher lows. Here we can see that at this candle the value is almost about 570. Means stock is once the pattern appears on the stock chart, the stock is moving from around 450 to around 570. So giving stock has given good return in very short duration. So whenever at the downtrend, when we get such type of pattern, we can make entry in the next candle to get good returns in a short term. So this is the basic about outside bar. It is called as a bullish outside bar. As well, we have the bearish outside bar patterns. So we will discuss those pattern in a next video. So if you want to study such type of basic things about the stock charts, stock market, technical analysis, then you can subscribe to my channel Learn Stock Charts to Earn. As well, you can click on a bell icon uh, to get updated with my video. Thank you.